Hi guys, this is me Bethany from Bethany's Diary. So today, it's raining so heavy right now, and we came outside because we were bored and it was a shutdown, and then we came outside, and this is the season which came.
What happened over
It's
there?
like literally flooded.
Flooded already?
Yeah, I think. So, bye. Okay, bye. I'll see you on the next video. So if you like this short, please like, share, and subscribe, so you can see a lot of more things. Bye. Bye.